Yes, we are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about XRP. We're going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about a whole bunch of different cryptos. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you are new to the channel. What I do is I look at the charts, focus only on the charts. I do this full time. I am a professional day trader and swing trader. I trade the financial markets Monday to Friday and also swing trade the crypto. So if you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of losing money, hit that subscribe button. If you don't know what the market is doing, if you're tired of trying to time the bottoms, definitely hit that subscribe button, because over here we talk about everything. And I talk about strategies and different ways you can actually just make money in this current market. If you are watching that replay, you can actually go to settings, hit speed 1.5 or 2 to actually speed up the replay. Okay, and of course during this live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay, so shout out to everybody that's here. Let me give you guys a round of applause before I get this thing started. All right, so overall, all I see is red. All I see is red. So let's see if I see anybody in the chat room so far. What's going on, J.A., King, John, G Slick, G Baker, Adam, Mike, Dom, Honey, what's going on? Rufus, Glenn, Randy, what's going on? What's going on, Scotty? All right, shout out to everybody that's here, coming in the building. I'm going to do a quick live. I actually wasn't going to do a live today. I'm not going to, I'm not going to lie, guys. I really wasn't going to do a live today. But, I saw the market dropping. So I was like, you know what? Let's, talk about what's going on. So anyway, let's go to the crypto market. Let's go. Let me refresh this. So the coin market cap is down to 213. Okay. The dominance is actually creeping up. And pretty much everything is in the red. All right. So, another day in crypto. It is what it is. We talked about this last week. I told you guys, I understand that you love a certain coin. I totally agree. I totally understand. I know that you want your coin to go up. But at the same time, if you really want to become a professional, you can't just think and hope and wish. You have to look at reality. And I told you guys just to not get too excited. Okay, not get too excited. You have to look at the overall picture. Okay, this is what I do every single day. I do this full time, and what I do, I look at the overall picture. I look at the overall trend. If the overall trend is going down or up, I'm looking to get in whatever direction. So if it's going down, I'm looking to get in on the downside. If it's going up, I'm looking to get in on the upside. Okay. This whole year, cryptocurrency's pretty much been down. So that's why I told you guys just to be careful. I know you want your coin to go up. Trust me, I wish your coin could go up too. I actually want you guys' coins to go up, but unfortunately, we are in a bear market, and we have to align, just make sure that you realize that the reality is we are in a bear market, and don't try to fight it, okay? Because most people in this crypto space been trying to time the bottom this whole year. Honestly, I just shake my head every single time. Honestly, it's just, to me, in my opinion, is a reckless way to trade or invest, especially in the bear market, because bear markets could really get real brutal to the point where you probably want to give up. Okay, so let's go to the chat room. If you guys have any questions, let me know. But right now, what we are witnessing is a pullback with XRP, a pullback with most of these cryptos. And you know, last week I told you guys just chill out, like don't get too excited. Okay, it's just anyway. Let's go back. Let's see if I see any questions here. Adam said, "I've been hodling and it sucks. What should I do?" Adam, you have my course, right, Adam? Adam, you have my course, right? Because, you know, over here, what we're doing is basically we taking advantage of these short-term swings. Okay, that's what we're doing. Hodling, I trust me, I understand. A lot of people, you don't want to scream hodl, but I really believe, you know, truly believe that most people can't handle, because you know things could get real messy. And you might be holding for a long time, holding a lot of bags for a long time, and you don't know when the bull market is going to return. So I don't really think a lot of people are, you know, built for that. Let me see. Shout out to Rufus. Rufus made 130 XRP short. Yeah, I believe I saw that today. I actually I think I took a picture. I think that was you in the live in Discord. I took a couple of screenshots today. People that's making money. But shout out to you. Let me give you that ka-ching button. Ka-ching all day. Shout out to Rufus making $100, 130. What's going on, Scotty? What's going on, Flex? Red said crypto is dead. The sky is falling. Let me see. John, Ben, do your course teach us to day trade crypto? No, it teaches you to swing trade crypto. Honestly, John, if you don't know anything about the markets, period, you know, swing trading is just to get your feet wet. I might, you know, I'm looking to come out with a day trading course. It's not really going to be for cryptos, but you can use the techniques for the cryptos, you know, in the crypto market. But honestly, I don't like day trading the crypto market. Honestly, I think there's more better markets to day trade. Day trading cryptos is, to me, and just my opinion, that, you know, day trade when it comes to, you know, day trading, but you can definitely swing trade cryptos. But like I said before, I might come out with a course, just, you know, teach you guys day trading. Let me see here. Yes, bear markets can last for years. Yeah, Robert, I saw that. Robert. I took a screenshot, so shout out to Robert making 3K today, man. Thanks. He said thanks you changing the way I think. So shout out to Robert. I took a screenshot, Robert. So I'm gonna show, you know. That's what's up though, man. I definitely are happy that, you know, you guys is actually making money in this current market. Because, you know, a lot of people don't know how to make money in this current market. Hey, what's going on, Bambino? Leonard said, my cousin called me shouting out, buy me more XRP. he doesn't have time for crypto, so I buy for him using his account. Oh man. Scotty said, Ben, my first 500 pounds today, shorting everything. Woo! Bam, bam, bam. Shout out to Scotty, $500. Shorting everything. You said you waiting for that live stream dump? Ah, man, thank you again, bro. Yeah, no problem, man. Yeah, congratulations, Robert. What's going on, NN? What's going on, Crypto Gains? Ben, what do you think about XRP going below 21 cents? Your thoughts? All right, so hold on for a second, guys. And like I said before, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. If you're new to the channel, let me know if you have any questions. Actually, you know, just thanks a lot for stopping by. Right now, everything is dropping. And, you know, I told you guys last week, don't get too excited. Okay, don't get too excited, because getting excited is the wrong thing. Because how many times XRP, how many times Bitcoin, how many times Ethereum, how many times Litecoin went up, and then it basically went right back down. So you know, XRP had a crazy pump last week, and I said, guys, you know, it's a nice pump, but I don't like it, because if you notice how this thing just shot up, you know, that's really not normal buying. It's too fast, too quick. And not only that, we went all the way close to 80 cents, and then we dropped right back down that same day. So look at this candle, guys. You see this candle right here? So let me zoom in a little bit more. Okay, this candle right here was green. It was green all the way up to here. Okay, but it didn't close up to here. You know, it didn't close up here. It closed all the way down here. Okay, which is around 56 cents. That's not bullish at all. Okay, now I said, guys, I want to see next week what Ripple could do. I want to see if, because if we go to the 1 hour, let's go to the 1 hour. All right, I said, all right, guys, we are consolidating, and I want to see, you know, what Ripple can do out of this consolidation. Okay, this was setting up to be a nice little flag, so Ripple can actually, I mean, it should have, if it was really bullish, it should have just basically, you know, did a nice little pop, maybe test the top again. So that's what I said, guys. I said, you know, next week I want to see what Ripple can do. I want to see if it could break that up, break this, go to the upside. And I said, if it can't do that, then most likely, if it's not gonna do that, it's gonna break down. And if it's breaking down, then that's not a good sign at all. That's definitely a bearish sign. Now also, okay, if you look to the left, okay, we had this breakout right here. Okay, so a lot of people went long right here. All right, a lot of people went long right here, and I told you guys before that the market loves to go back to the breakout. So we broke out nicely right here. All right, we came back to the breakout. We found some type of support. We went back up, had a fake up move, and then it broke down. So my guess is it's going right back to the below maybe like 42 cents, because a lot of people stops are right here. Okay, so you know, like I said before, the market loves to go chase these stops. Okay, so I'm quite sure the people that bought this breakout put their stop right here, and most likely it look like the market wants to go down there and stop people out. So, you know, it is what it is. You know, this market is brutal. Like I said before, guys, this market doesn't care about you. the way you care about it. Okay, a lot of people just love their certain coins, but honestly, these coins don't love you back. Trust me. And the market is not really what you think it is. The market is about competing against the best. That's what the market is really about. It's not really about news or white paper. Unfortunately, I wish we had a market that was, more stable, and we can actually use the coins and not make this some type of casino. But hey, man, human beings are, involved. So this is what we got. Let's see what's going on. What's going on, Davina Perry? All right. CP, what's going on? John Ebanks said he made. Yeah, I saw that. I believe I saw that. You said you made 10% on XRP pump. Shout out to you. All right. AZ, what's going on? So guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Someone asked me about XRP. Let me see. NN said XRP go below. What do you think XRP going below the 21 cents? What are your thoughts? Well, Bitcoin itself, Bitcoin has Bitcoin looks like it's weak and it wants to fall over. So if Bitcoin continues to go down, yes, Bitcoin continues to go down, most of these coins will follow Bitcoin. So this is why I had a talk to my XRP holders last week. I had a talk, with my XRP holders last week, and I said, hey man, I understand that XRP is going up right now. We get it. But what if Bitcoin continues to go down? Okay. You have to understand that part too. Because during this whole bear market, XRP been following Bitcoin. I think pretty much every coin been following Bitcoin. So you have to just realize that we are in a bear market, and if Bitcoin goes down, XRP can go down with Bitcoin too. So if Bitcoin continues to go down, yes, XRP can actually go back to the lows of the year. So shout out to you guys, but it's funny how just people in general, especially in this crypto world. That's why it's very hard for me to even come on here and make videos, because we have people in this crypto community that is just, they have unrealistic views, because we have YouTubers and people in the news that's always hyping things up, and they try to give people unrealistic views, like saying Bitcoin is going to $1 million or XRP is going to $50 by the end of this year. Like crazy numbers. I'd rather you guys be realistic and not get too hyped when you see prices go up, because this whole year prices went up, but it went right back down. So, just keep that in mind, guys. A lot of people have short-term memories. They don't realize that, this whole year, it's just been up, down, up, down, up, down. So, a lot of people just have short-term memories, okay? But I want you guys over here, if you are viewing me for the first time, or people, in general over here, I want you guys to actually become professionals, so you don't have to deal with the nonsense in the crypto community. These guys really don't have no idea what to do. Okay, you have people that have 100K subscribers, been bullish the whole year, now making bear videos talking about, well, if Bitcoin goes to 3K or 2K, that's a good thing. But it is what it is. So guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Let's see what's going on here. All right, people making this money over here. What's going on, Dom? You said like 589. Yeah, I know, right? Tell me about it. What's going on, Chris? So, you know, last week we talked about this pump. I said, hey, man, I think this could be the last pump of the year. And what I mean by that is this could be the last pump of the year, meaning that before we actually break break these lows. Okay. So the way the way I was thinking, this could be, I'm not saying it is, but it looks like it could be the last. That was the last pump of the year, and most likely it looks like we might head back to these lows. Okay, now, in my opinion, if we go the next time we go back to 6,000, we not. Just my opinion. We're not going to see what we've been seeing the whole year. Okay, so the whole year we've been seeing 6,000 every time we hit it. Boom, went up. Boom, 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 boom. Every time we hit it, it goes up. I believe next time we hit that level, lights out, lights out. I don't believe that it will hold that level. I believe that a lot of people can get wiped out. We might see like a small bounce from that level, but I think it's gonna be lights out. Because eventually we have to break this triangle. We can't continue to go back and forth like this. We have to break it. Eventually we have to break it. Okay. We tried to break the triangle to the upside multiple times. We couldn't. So it seems like it don't want to go up. So the next direction is down. Now we've been holding this level for almost going on a year. So the pressure behind this move is crazy. So I believe once we break out of this, that pressure is going to be I think it's going to be ugly. Real ugly. I think that's the time when people is just going to shake their head and they're going to get real nervous, because I think a lot of people around here, they still have hope. They still are wishing and hoping. But I believe, once we break this level, things will get ugly. And I think that's when most people are going to start to doubt the whole situation. Okay, because I've been through a bear market before. I know how these bear markets work. They don't let you just slide like that. Okay, they want you to bleed. Okay, this is why I told you guys just from the beginning that this is just the first stage of the bear market. Okay, they want you to bleed. They want you to panic. They want you to tremble. They want you to literally not sleep. So a lot of people didn't experience that yet. A lot of people didn't experience that yet. But I believe once we break these levels, because there's a lot of stop losses below these levels. So I think once that thing triggers, this thing could get ugly. So I think a lot of people are going to start to doubt everything. Literally start to doubt everything. You're going to see it. A lot of people are going to panic, start to doubt everything. They're going to start to call this a scam. Everything. You're gonna see everything. Trust me, you guys didn't see nothing yet. You guys didn't see nothing yet. I know I'm gonna get a lot of emails saying, "Hey man, my portfolio is down this much. What should I do?" I know it. Let me see. Guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Crypto Game says 60% of XRP is owned. They can dump it and pump it whenever they want. I hear that. Let me see. You said to avoid get caught up when they aim for stops, like you said, should we make our stop loss farther out, or does make or they might come for those? Well, basically, the whole thing about that is, you know, when you are in the flow, and shout out to people that said they want to see a drop. They want to see the live stream drop. So it looks like we might get that live stream drop. Bitcoin is just dropping like crazy. But anyway, you have to understand when you're going with the flow, the major trend. Okay, when you're going with the major trend, I really don't care about, you know, having a tight stop loss. I don't really care about having a tight stop loss, because the trend is actually on your side. The whole momentum is on your side. So this whole year, the market been going down. So, you know, the momentum is on your side. So when you go short, I'm not actually worrying about a tight stop loss. Okay, so if you put your stop loss at at the correct spot, I'm not worrying about that because the flow is down. Okay, now if you was going up, then that would be different. Red said BTC can't go down much further. I don't know what you mean by that. Really don't know what you mean by that. XRP won't go down much further before. Like I said, I don't know what you mean by that. Let me see what's going on here. So Chris D said, "Hey Ben, as a professional trader, do you ever still take losses?" Yes, all day, every single day I take losses. Okay, you have to understand that when I day trade, okay, and that's a good question. That's a very good question. When I day trade, I take losses all the time. Okay. So, you know, I mean, I really don't talk about day trading too much, but most people, even with swing trading too, most people will never become professionals because they are so brainwashed. Okay, and you see it, guys. You see it. You see it with your own eyes. You see people come on here on a live stream and say, "Hey, man, trading is risky," or "Swing trading is risky. There's no way you can make money with trading like that." You know, you see it with your own eyes. So, most people won't even become professional traders because they are brainwashed and they think that it's impossible. Okay. And then you have the people that feel that it is possible, but they have problems with losing. Okay. So honestly, day trading and swing trading, in general, okay, is an easy concept, you know, to grasp, because all you have to do, number one, is just follow the major trend, right, and look for setups. That's the pretty much the most, I mean, the thing that you basically doing when you're trading. Okay, you're looking for the major trend, and then you're looking for setups. But the thing that's very hard, and shout out to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is actually dropping right in front of our eyes, guys. Bitcoin is dropping right in front of our eyes on this live stream. Okay, but anyway, the thing with trading is you are fighting yourself, and what I mean by fighting yourself, you're fighting your emotions. Okay. And shout out to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is dropping right in front of our eyes, guys. We might have another stream where Bitcoin just said, you know what, I'm tired, guys. I'm just gonna continue to go down. But anyway, yeah. So when you day trade, you're fighting yourself. You're fighting your emotions. You're fighting your belief systems. Okay, because you're just going against your thoughts and your beliefs and your bad habits. So, most people in this world, since we've been brainwashed since we was little, they can't handle day trading or swing trading, because they are not wired to lose. Okay, even today, when I guess in like elementary school. When people lose, I guess like in sports, the people that lose, they still get trophies. Okay, so we in general don't like to lose, and that's because society made it that way. Okay, they brainwashed us, and I'm here to tell you that losing is, honestly, guys, losing is part of life, which is how it works. No way you can separate losing. But the thing with trading is, you have to get used to your losers, right? You have to get used to losing, and you have to get used to staying on track. So, for example, like when you see an NFL player, let's say that he trying. Let's say he was trying to throw the ball to a running back, whatever the case is, and they almost got an interception. He can't, the next play, right? The next down, he can't say, "Man, that last throw that I did was horrible." He can't even think. If he think about the last throw, he's done. Okay, so the same thing with trading. You can't think about your last trade, and that's what most people probably going to do. Okay, if they take a loss or 2 losses in a row, they're going to think about those 2 losses and doubt that next trade. So, like I said before, trading is all about mastering yourself, mastering your emotions, and also just of course you got to learn how the market works, but a lot of it is mastering yourself. Let's see if I see any questions here. Martin said, "Thanks for the course. Still studying." All right, shout out to Martin. Still studying. XRP still going down. Yeah, man, I see that. XRP still going down. Bitcoin going down. It is what it is. I mean, that's how a bear market works. Like I said before, guys, I want your coins to go up. I want your coins to go up. Don't think I don't want your coins to go up. I want your coins to go up. But, at the same time, I have to still tell you guys the truth. And the truth is, we've been in the bear market this whole year. Okay? So this is why I tell you guys not to get too excited. Not to get too excited, because this has been a repeat the whole year. We went up, then go back down. We went up, then go back down. All right, so Hey, what's going on, Alex? What's going on, Eric? Chris D said just made some profit from no, I'm not shorting nothing right now, Eric. JA said timber. Let's see what's going on here. All right. Reading these questions here. John Banks said the billionaire said the bottom is in. I don't care what billionaire, you know, you have to understand, guys. These guys are not on your side, okay? They can say whatever they want to say, okay? Honestly, I forgot to show you guys this. I think it was yesterday. I went live yesterday. I forgot to show you guys this. CNBC analyst predicts Bitcoin bounce back based purely on market tacticals, okay? CNBC said Bitcoin bounce. All right, so I don't care what billionaires say. I don't care what CNBC says. You know, it's just the news. All right, these guys will say anything. Let me see here. I've been cutting myself short with that. Cutting yourself short with what? Oh, with the stops? Yeah, shout out to Dom. Dom said the rich are the ones that in control, manipulate the news. Exactly. What's going on? Freezer Boom had to drop. You said you rubbing your hands like Birdman. Oh man, rubbing your hands like Birdman. Eric said Moon Boy's out taking L's. Somebody said 5K today. Oh man, what's going on, Jason? All right, so shout out to all my students that's making money. I just took a couple of screenshots today. I know someone made, J-Ro made 120. John made 130, and I think it was somebody else that made $3 grand. I was reading in the Discord, so shout out to you guys and everybody else that's making this money. Shout out to you guys making this bread. All right, and for you guys that don't have the course, check it out during this live stream. I'll give you guys that discount. So let me get that over with so I can go back to the charts. If you don't have this course, check it out. What I just showed you is the Discord room, and that comes with the course. You know, like you saw today, students making money. I think who was it? John, I forgot who made that 3K. Somebody made that 3K today. Who made that 3K? Shout out to you. So this this course will show you how to make money during this bear market, and will show you how to make money during a bull market. So you can check that out. I give that live stream discount. When I get off the live, it goes back to the regular price. All right, I'm gonna copy and paste that link. All right, so I just copy and paste. Okay, so it's Robert James made that 3K. Shout out to him. In a day, some people don't even make that in 1 month. So Robert just made a 3K. Bang, bang, bang. And shout out to other students making at 120 and 130. Let's see if I see any questions here. Yeah, like Frieza said, bosses take losses every day. Exactly. Okay. Like I said before, some people will never become professionals because they can't handle losses. Okay. You have to understand, just like Frieza boy said. Okay, bosses take losses every day. Okay, you have to understand. Think about any company. I don't care. Like let's say Walmart. Okay, Walmart take losses every time. I mean every year, because I'm quite sure, you know, their employees steal from them, or you know whatever happens throughout the year. They take losses. Okay, so every company that you know of take losses, just like traders. Every single day we take losses. But at the end of the day, it's all about how can you handle your losses, and do you have a strategy that will allow you to profit no matter if you take losses. Okay, that's the key. Okay, so losses is always a part of business. You can never go around losses. Every business, I don't care what business you're going to be in. I mean, it doesn't matter what business you start. You're going to have losses. But the main part is you have to have a strategy that allows you to profit no matter if you lose or not. Okay. Let me see here. And it said, Ben, I really like to learn how I can place an order in JavaX or BitMax. I don't understand options. I searched, but I can't find a good video. Do you have a good manual? My course is a good manual. NN. My course is a good manual. And BitMax, I don't know exactly, you know, what you want to do, but it's like any other exchange. You basically, I'm quite sure you put a sell order in, and you know, whenever you want to sell. So let me see here. You said celery stick on Bitcoin. What about it? What about the 1 minute celery stick? You talking about this? What about it? Leonard, what about the Okay, so let's see here. And I was showing you guys this the other day. Okay, for the people that just don't understand a bear market, some people just can't understand it because it's going down. Okay, but I decided to flip the Bitcoin chart upside down. So what you're looking at right now is the BTC chart upside down. Okay, so if you was looking at this and you didn't know that this chart was upside down, I'm quite sure you would say, man, this thing look bullish. It looks like it's about to pop out of this triangle and keep on going up. Okay, I'm quite sure you would say, you would say that, hey man, this thing is ready to rock, ready to go to the moon. So sometimes when you takes charts and put it upside down, you can actually see things clearer, because some people just can't see things when it goes down. This is how the chart looks right now. It looks like we are trying to break it and break out of this triangle. So for the people that just can't understand what's really going on, and let me see if I see any questions here. You said that was a major pump. Because it's the 1 minute, Leonard. You can't look at the 1 minute and say that's a major pump. The daily chart is still red. Okay, the daily chart is still red, so definitely not looking at the 1 minute right now. Robert said, I got involved in January, lost hell, a lot of money. Man, I only been past. That's crazy. So if you got in January, that means you lost a lot of money. A lot. But, you know, shout out to Robert. He decided to say, man, forget this. You know, I've been hodling all year, man. I got to learn something else. So shout out to Robert. Just trying to learn something new. That's what's up. Glenn said he took his profits. Shout out to Glenn making his bread, making that money. So guys, right now, Robert said, I bought your course, worth every penny. Shout out to Robert, man. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. So guys, what we're looking at here is just the market. It looks weak, you know. Every time we try to go up, it makes lower highs. So that's clearly not bullish at all. We tried to go up multiple times. We tried. So it looks like it's trying to break these lows right here. This is BTC. Okay, it looks like it's trying to break these lows right here. This is why I tell you guys, just be careful. Don't get too excited when you see things pump, because overall the market is bearish. Okay, now if we look at this, okay, this is a bouncing ball. Okay, what does this look like? This is a ball. If you take a ball, right? If you take a ball and you bounce it on the ground and it lose momentum, tell me, guys, what this looks like. Does this look familiar right now, guys? Look at BTC. Let me zoom out and look at this. This is a bouncing ball. Look at BTC. Does that look like literally like BTC chart? So BTC chart right now is just, it's like a bouncing ball, losing momentum, and eventually this thing has to go in a direction, and it looks like it's going to break down to the downside. All right, so guys, if you have any questions, let me know. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. And if you don't have my course by now, check it out, because during this live stream is a discount. The regular price is $210, and right now is $110. And I'm about to get off a live stream soon, so if you take advantage of that, you don't have to pay that full price, and you can go to my testimonials and just look at it. One of my students today made 3K. Another one made 120, 130 last week. Bema Bros made 31K. So if you want to learn more about that, check that out. Let's see if I see more questions right here. Ben, do you think we come time again where you will put BTC into alts and HODL again? Let me read that again. Do you think there will be a time coming in where you will put BTC into alts and hodl again. Oh, okay, I see what you're talking about. So, hodl. Well, I don't hodl at all. Okay. Hodling for me is pretty much like 5% of what I do. Okay. When I buy alts and hold alts, I will have to see. First of all, number one, I tell people all this, all the time, especially people that ask me about a certain coin. I'm not really trying to buy any coin unless it survive this bear market. All right, I want to see most coins at the end of this bear market. If I don't like how most of these coins look at the end of the bear market, I'm not buying anything. Most likely, I'll probably look for new projects because that's what's going to happen. Okay, if you go back to the last crash that we had, go back to the first page of CoinMarketCap. Pretty much all those coins are gone right now. They're not even on the first page. So I believe that we could see another new page on CoinMarketCap where just strictly new coins, and I'll probably invest in those new coins. But like I said before, whenever the bull market comes, of course I'm going to get into it. Not necessarily hodl, but I'm going to get into it and ride and take advantage of the bull market, take profits. I truly believe in taking profits. Pay myself, and I will re-enter the market. Okay, that's how I play the market. Me personally, I don't really make hodling my main strategy because I know what hodling is all about, and it's not really something that I want to do because it doesn't allow me to make money consistently month after month. Let's see here. You said you lost so much money. I don't know. Yeah, you lost so much money. That means that you probably bought in January, right? HSHS, you bought in January. That means you probably bought in January. So, I understand your pain. I understand what you're going through. Okay, but your next thing is to sit back, either take some time off, or study the market and figure out, hey man, how can I make my money back, or how can I take advantage of this current market? Because me and my students are taking advantage of this current market. My students actually trade cryptos way more than me. Okay. Because I day trade the financial market, so I don't need to go in and out like in crypto market like most of my students. But I do take high quality setups when I see them. But overall, there's a lot of money to be made in the crypto market right now. Scotty said you out. All right, so shout out to Scotty. Good night. So let me see if I see any questions here before I get out of here. Guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know. Let me see if I see anything. Let's see how Ripple's looking. I'm going to go to Ripple. I'm going to go to these other coins real quick. Let's see how Ripple's looking. Ripple's dropping. Let's see how Tron TRX is looking. TRX. TRX is dropping once again. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum, the slow horse. Ethereum looks like it looks like it's forming a channel again, and it looks like it's trying to break out its channel. So we will definitely see what's going on with this. What else? Litecoin. Litecoin dropping. ADA dropping. And that Doge that was you know, semi-bullish, finding resistance around here. All right, so guys, I'm about to get out of here. Hope you guys have a good you know, rest of the day. Have a good rest of the day. Let me see if I see any more questions before I leave. Robert said, what coin do you think will go up in the future? I don't know. I really don't know, Robert. I wish I can tell you, but I don't know. See, why do you like day trading in the stock market more than crypto? Well, right now I'm day trading the futures market. But why do I like day trading that more than the cryptos? Because the cryptos, the market itself, when it comes to day trading, it doesn't allow me to. The whole market itself sometimes is not. How would I say? Trying to look for the right word, but it doesn't look right for a good day trader. It doesn't have that many opportunities. Some days it's just dry and not moving at all. And then we might have a move at night like this. This is a perfect example. You know, we might have a move at night where it just goes down or go up, and during the day it's not doing anything. So I don't like the way it moves sometimes. And I believe that, well, I don't believe, but I know that, you know, there's a lot of, you know, there's other markets out here like the stock market, Forex, or the futures that are just better vehicles when it comes to day trading. Let's see here. Robert said, any good stock scanners you use? Right now, I'm not trading the stocks right now, but you don't really need stock scanners. You know, some people use trade ideas, but honestly, you don't really need scanners like that. You can look for, you know, the gaps of the day, or the gaps, you know, or the any stocks that have earnings, or even the top gainers for the day. Leonard said, Ben, do you think we will break below 6K? Yeah, maybe not today, but eventually, yes, I do. Because the whole market is telling us, and this is, guys, this is why I love the charts. All right, the charts never lie to us. It's straight. It's straight. You know, it tells us everything. You know, it's straight to the point. So we've been going down the whole year. Why stop now? Okay. A bear market is a bear market. It acts the same way as a bull market. So a bear market can last for years, same way a bull market lasts for years. So why stop now? That's the question. Why stop now? Why will Bitcoin reverse now and go to the moon? We've been trying to do that every every single time we bounce, but every time we bounce, it's getting smaller and smaller. So I think we will go below 6K. And I think next time we touch that 6K mark, I totally believe that it's not going to be like these other times where we touch it and then shoot right back up. I believe that we touch 6K, we might have a green candle, but I don't think it's going to go that far, or we might just slice through that 6K and break it. So all right, so let's see. All righty here. Hey, what's going on, Beamer Bros? All right, about to get out of here. Shout out to everybody that's here, though, man. Thanks a lot for stopping by. If you're having a hard time with cryptos and trying to figure things out, you know, you can check out my course. But other than that, oh, what's going on, Lori? How you doing? Other than that, you can hit that subscribe button. And, you know, I'll talk to you guys later. Make sure that you study. You always improve yourself. And, you know, honestly, guys, you know, chill out buying the bottoms. I mean, that's you just basically throwing away your money if you buy the bottoms. No one can tell the bottom. I had a lot of people screaming at me last week saying, hey, man, I told you this was the bottom. But no one knows the bottom. So, you know, just learn how the market works. Talk to you guys later and have a great night.